If you've ever needed to connect Beehiiv with another tool or automate part of your workflow, you already know the magic lies in one thing, your Beehiiv API key. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it in 2025 without the confusion, without the guesswork, and in less than a couple of minutes. Let's jump right in. To start, head over to the official Beehiiv website. If you're new to the platform, Beehiiv is one of the most powerful newsletter tools out there, built to help creators grow, manage, and monetize their audience. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Log In. You'll land on a sign-in screen where you can enter your usual email and password, but if you want the quickest route, simply choose Sign In with Google. Beehiiv will authenticate your account instantly, and in just a moment, you'll be taken straight to your main dashboard. Now that you're inside, this dashboard is basically your command center, but for your API key, we're heading into settings. You'll usually find it on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click it. Once you're inside the settings section, look for a tab labeled API. This is where Beehiiv stores all the tools you need for integrations. Click API, and you'll immediately see options for API v1 and API v2. These versions serve different integration needs, so make sure you choose the one your app or service requires. After you've identified the correct version, simply copy the API key shown on the screen. And this part is important. Treat this key like a password. Anyone with access to your API key can interact with your account's data, so keep it private and secure. And that's it. You found your Beehiiv API key quickly, safely, and without any unnecessary steps. With this key, you can now unlock automations, sync tools, build custom integrations, and take your newsletter to a whole new level. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to check out my other Beehiiv tutorials for more pro tips and smarter workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.